11:05. 11:05 Monday, 91 degrees. Not in here. It's a comfortable 79 right now in here. All right, let's see. They should have $5 craps right now. Yeah, $5 live craps. You'll find that out here every weekday. $5 00 roulette. $10 blackjack. I don't think they have any $5 blackjack. $10. They got a lot of $10 blackjack. I stand corrected. That's $5 right there. $5 blackjack. $5 roulette, $5 live craps, $5 blackjack. When you have all three of those, that's pretty good. Look at this.